Hello friends, welcome to this daily dose of mathematics. And first of all, I would like to say Merry Christmas to all those who are watching my video. Okay, let's get started with the trigonometry lecture 3. In the last class that what we have studied is all the trigonometry identities, but we are left over with some identities. So I'm going to reduce here again. So what are the, you can see here, sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, right? So how to prove this sec square theta is equal to minus tan square theta? We know that sec theta is equal to what? H by b, because this is equal to 1 by cos theta. Okay, so sec theta is equal to h by b. So sec square theta will be h square by b square. Okay, similarly tan square theta will be p by b square. So that is going to be p square by b square. So here instead of sec square theta we can replace h square by b square, h square by b square minus tan square means p square by b square. So it is going to be b square, so h square minus p square. So h square minus p square is going to be what? We know that from Pythagoras theorem, h square is equal to p square plus b square. So what is h square minus p square? That is going to be b square. Okay, this is the from this formula. So this is the parental formula. Okay, this is the parental formula. So from this formula we can derive this one. So I'm going to replace the value of h square minus p square is equal to b square here. Okay, so b square by v square. So that is going to be 1. So now we have, what I have proved is sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So from this formula we can derive sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. So keep sec square theta one side and take this tan square minus tan square theta to right hand side. So it is going to be 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, this is one formula, you remember. Another formula is, so see, this is the parental formula. Okay, from this formula only we are deriving the derivative formulas. So next one, sec theta is going to be square root of 1 plus tan square theta. Okay, next, so this is another formula. Again I'm going to write here sec square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. You keep this tan square, you bring this tan square theta to right hand side and this 1 to left hand side. So here plus 1, if it comes to the left hand side it is going to be negative 1. So sec square theta minus 1 will be what? Tan square theta. So this one formula. Okay, so sec square theta minus 1 square root will be tan theta. This is another formula you need to remember. Okay, next cosec square theta minus cot square theta will be 1. Okay, cosec square theta minus cot square theta will be 1. How? Because cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. But what is 1 by sin theta? 1 by p by h. So it is going to be h by p. So if I am going to make cosec square theta, so it is going to be h by p whole square. So it is going to be h square by p square. So here instead of cos square theta, cosec square theta, I am going to replace this h square by p square. So I am going to write h square by p square. Okay, again, what is cot theta? Cot theta is nothing but 1 by tan theta. Okay, what is 1 by tan theta? P by b. So it is going to be b by p. So when cot theta ro square karabo setebele b by p ro whole square. So it is going to be b square by p square. So cot square theta cot theta whole square will be written as cot square theta. It is going to be b square by b square. Okay, so how you have to write? Minus, instead of cot square theta I can write this one. So b square by b square is equal to, again LCM is p square, so it is h square minus b square. But again we know from where? From this one. Again we know from this one. What? That is called what? This is a Pythagorean theorem. So from this Pythagorean theorem we can say what we need exactly? H square minus b square we need. So this is going to be h square minus this b square will be p square. Okay, so h square minus b square will be p square. So instead of h square minus b square, I am going to replace p square divided by p square. So p square will cancel out each other. That is going to be 1. So the formula is cot square theta minus cosec square theta minus cot square theta will be 1. So from this formula we can derive, cosec square theta minus cot square theta will be 1. So cosec square theta will be 1 plus cot square theta. Okay, so cosec theta will be square root of 1 plus cot square theta. This is one formula. Okay, next, if I am going to keep cot square theta fixed, this cot square theta, if I am going to bring to the right hand side and this 1 to the left hand side, so it is going to be minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. So square root of cosec square theta minus 1 will be cot theta. Okay, this is the other formula that we have derived. Okay, next what happens? All the quadrant things we are going to discover. Quadrants. Okay, so we know that this is the first quadrant, this is the second quadrant, this is the third quadrant, this is the fourth quadrant. And this is a positive x-axis, this is y-axis positive, and this is going to be negative y-axis, and this is going to be negative x-axis. Okay, this is axis, this is axis. Okay, this is x-axis. Okay, then in the first quadrant we know that I'm going to tell you one shortcut method, that is after school to college, because after school only you are going to college, right? That's it, after school to college. Okay, so here all the trigonometry identities are positive in this first quadrant. The first quadrant comprises of from 0 to 90 degree. It is 0, it is 90 degree, it is 180 degree, it is 270 degree, again 360 degree. So we know that what is 180 degree? 180 degree is nothing but pi radian. Okay, so this is nothing but pi radian. Up to this is completely 180 degree. Okay, pi radian. So 1 degree will be pi by 180 radian. So now what is 45 degree? 45 degree will be pi by 180 into 45. So that is going to be pi by 4 radian. Okay, so in this way you can convert. If it is given in radian form, you can convert it to degree, and if it is given in degree form, then you can convert it to radians. So here onwards I am going to introduce the new way of representing the angle, not by degree, I am going to say in radians. So it is going to be 0 degree, this is going to be pi by 2, this is going to be pi, and this is going to be 3 pi by 2, and this is going to be 2 pi, is nothing but again 0. Okay, because 0 and 2 pi, they are coinciding each other. Now what happens is, I am going to divide the entire 360 degree. I am going to divide the entire 360 degree into how much? Into some angle fractions. Okay, Okay, now okay, okay, this is 0, this is pi by 2, this is pi, this is 3 pi by 2, again this is 2 pi. Again it will what, keep go on and on and on and like that. Okay, so if pi means 180 degree, this is 180. Okay, this one I am going to make into exactly 3 fractions. So this is 60, this is what, 60, and this is 180. Again the 60, again 60, again 180. Okay, so okay, now okay, this is 60. 60 means the pi by 3. 60 means pi by 3, because pi means 180, 60 means 180 by 3, that is called pi by 3. Okay, and this 120 means what, 120 degree means 60 into 2. But what is 120? 60 means pi by 3 into 2, that is going to be 2 pi by 3. So here it is going to be 2 pi by 3. Okay, understood? Next, we can say this is pi and this is what, plus 60. So pi means 180 plus 60 will be how much, 240. What is 240 exactly? 60 into 4 is equal to 240. What is 60 exactly? 60 is equal to pi by 3. Okay, 60 is equal to pi by 3 into 4. So 4 pi by 3. So this one we can write 4 pi by 3. Next, 4 pi by 3, again if you add 60 here, then this is the angle. So 4 pi by 3 means 240 plus 60, this is going to be 300. This is 300. Okay, this is 270, this is more 30. So 300 means nothing but 60 into 5. 60 means what, pi by 3 into 5, so 5 pi by 3. So it is going to be 5 pi by 3. Okay, next it is going to be out 60 means 360. 360 is nothing but 2 pi. Okay, now I am going to convert that again into how many parts, this pi into 4 parts. So if I am going to make 4 parts, this pi, so exactly means 90 को divide कले एमती हम. Okay, just wait. है, this is exactly 2 parts. Again a 90 को divide करो, है. So this is going to be 90 को divide कले, this 90 means pi by 2. Pi by 2 is means 90 degree. Divide कलो तो माने pi by 2. It means pi by 4 is equal to be 45 degrees. So it is going to be pi by 4. So again pi by 4 plus 90 plus pi by 4 means 3 pi by 4. Then pi, then pi plus it also plus pi by 4 is equal to 5 pi by 4. This is equal to 5 pi by 4. Then again it came 3 pi by 2. So 3 pi by 2 plus pi by 4 माने 45 मिसेले केता आसीबो, एटा आसीबो 4 6 pi plus pi is equal to 7 pi by 4. This is equal to 7 pi by 4. Again it is going to be 30. Then you divide again this pi by 3 into 2 parts, means exactly 2 parts. Okay, so now here you can see, okay, 30 30 30, then again okay. So this is pi by 6, pi by 3, then 150 means this is 150 degree, okay. This is 150 degree. 150 degree means 150 degree means 150 degree means 30 into 5. What is 30? 30 means pi by 6. So pi by 6 into 5, it is going to be 5 pi by 6. So this is going to be 5 pi by 6. Okay, now what is this? This one 180 plus 30. 180 means pi plus 30. 30 means pi by 6. So this is going to be 280, 210. 210 means 210 को केमती कराबो 30 into 7 कराबो 30 माने केते pi by 6 into 7. So 7 pi by 6. So this is going to be 7 pi by 6. Okay, now this is going to be what? How much? This is going to be 330. 330 means 330 is equal to how much? 30 into 11. 30 means what? Pi by 6 into 11. So 11 pi by 6. This is going to be 11 pi by 6. Okay, I hope you have seen all the angles. Means this is the basic angles that we are going to perform with. Okay, so now I'm going to introduce how to measure what is sine 30, sine 45, sine 60, cos 30, cos 45, cos 30, tan 60, tan 45, tan 30. Okay, now I'm going to draw a one basic angle. What basic? Triangle, right angle triangle. Okay, this is a right angle triangle. So you can see this right angle triangle here. Suppose this is 60 degree and this is equal to 90 degree. So the remaining will be 30 degree. Okay, this is root 3, this is 2, this is 1, this is 90 degree. So when we are saying sine 60, sine 60 means this angle. Okay, 60 degree. What is sine 60? What is sine theta? Sine theta is nothing but p by h. What is p? For 60 degree, this is the p. And what is h? H is the fixed one for this triangle. So p is equal to root 3. What is h? Is equal to 2. So sine 60 will be root 3 by 2. Okay. Next, what is sine 30? Sine 30 means this is 30 degree. So for 30 degree, what is the height? For 30 degree height will be this one. Okay, and h will be remaining same. So sine 30 is equal to again p by h. But what is p for sine 30 degree? 30 is 1. So 1 by 2. Okay, you understood this one? So again you can see for cos 60. Cos 60 degree means b by h. See, this is the 60 degree, this is 60 degree. So b means what? The side which is adjacent to this angle is called base. So for this 60 degree, this is the base. Okay, so what is the base? 1. This is what is h? H is 2. Okay, now you can see that sine 30 is equal to cos 60, right? So what is the thing that you are observing right now? Is sine 30 degree is nothing but cos 60. So how we can write this angle? This is nothing but sine 60 means I can write sine 30 means sine 90 minus 60, right? Also I can write. So that will be, instead of this sine 30, I can write sine 60 minus 90 minus 30 without loss of generality, right? Means we are not doing any conversion. Only we are representing this 30 by 90 minus 60. So that is nothing but cos 30, cos 60. So sine 90 minus 60 is equal to cos 60. So from these things we can see, sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos. See, this is 60, this is 60, this is 60. This sine 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So this is going to be cos theta. Okay, you have understood this one. Now we can go for cos what? 30 degree. What is cos 30 is equal to? This is the cos 30. Okay. For this 30 degree, what is the base? Base is nothing but this root 3. So b by h. What is b? Root 3 by h is 2. So now you can see cos 30 is equal to sin 60, right? Cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. Our sin 60 value will be root 3 by 2. So that's equal to cos 30 will be equal to is going to be sin 60. So what is cos 30? Cos 30 is equal to cos 90 minus 60, right? Is equal to sin 60 degree. So we can say cos 90 means pi by 2 minus theta will be again sin theta. Okay. Understood this one? Next, so now I am going to express this formula. What is sin 90 means pi by 2 minus theta will be cos theta. Okay. Similarly, cos pi by 2 minus theta will be sin theta. Similarly, tan pi by 2 minus theta will be cot theta. Cot pi by 2 minus theta will be what? Tan theta. Similarly, cosec pi by 2 minus theta will be sec theta. Sec pi by 2 minus theta will be cosec theta. Okay. This is the things that you have means we have discovered. Okay. Now all the things that I'm going to tell it clearly, and please don't forget to watch this video entirely. Please do watch and share and subscribe. Okay. Thank you. I'm going to tell it in the next classes.